Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all will fine and well at your home. Welcome in e-learning sessions of class 10th of SST. Now in this video we are going to learn about the need of the constitution and the work of the constitution. Means what does the constitution do for us? So now let's start. Now, let's start the next topic of class 9, that is the constitutional design. In this video, we will discuss about only two topics. These topics are what does the constitution do and the need of the constitution, and what will happen if the constitution is not there in any country. So, first of all, we should know what does the constitution do. It means that in which country have the constitution, so what is the importance of it and what the constitution are doing the work in their country, what need they have and what will happen if they will not have the written constitution and any type of the rules and regulation. As we all know very well, without the rules and without the discipline, either the house and either the school and either the nation or the nation cannot be run. Because if the discipline will not be there, if the rules will not be there, then the white scene will be created to maintain the administration, to limit the power and to bring the prosperity and the development. It is necessary that rules should be formed by the government, rules should be formed for the nation, for the citizens and everyone, those who are living in a country. So that's why what is constitution, already we have read in the previous video. Constitution is a rule book in which the rules are written which are implemented over the government, over the citizens, because in that rule somewhere these rules provide the independence, but somewhere these rules bind ourselves, because these rules are giving the independence but these rules are not giving the independence to doing the crime. Here these rules are bind us. यहाँ rules ने हमें बांधा हुआ है, and rules are giving the permission to move anywhere, but the rules are not giving a permission to break the privacy of the others. So in this video, let's start. What does the constitution do? Constitution क्या करता है? The constitution is making the coordination. Coordination means constitution create the Coordination means the cooperation and the collaboration. Means that this constitution tells the citizens and the government how to coordinate to each other and how the administration committee should be formed. Means the government should be formed by the cooperation of the citizens and the government. How? As we all know, the coordination, according to the coordination, elections are held after every 5 years in which the all citizens took the actively part and the government is elected by them. Means that the indirectly citizens are ruled over the country, because the only citizens are having a power to elect the government who will rule over us, who will frame the rules and the policies for us. So according to that, and the government and citizens are cooperating to each other to form the law, because for an example, government passed any law and the publics are not supported, publics didn't like that rule, then the public can raise their voice against that rule and the government had to change. That's why the government and the public are doing the work for each other cooperation. For an example, during the pandemic, corona pandemic, government request to all citizens to stay at home, and how much citizens and how much population of the India stayed at their home after requesting the Prime Minister. It means we are cooperating with them to follow the rules and regulation. When they say that we have to lighten the house, then the all Indian population lighten their house at the night. It means we are supporting to them to maintain the administration. When they say that we have to be ring the bell or extra, then we are also doing that. It means what is this? It is a cooperation, coordination and the collaboration. Next is the specifies the work of the government. Because in our constitution there is a separate part in which written that how much power government is having and how the government ruled, how the government implement the policies, how the government bring the prosperity, how the government ensure that all citizens are enjoying their fundamental rights or not. So that's why our constitution also specified the power of the government. Constitution tell us what the power enjoyed by the government. For an example, primary education. Primary education is compulsory in our nation. So who tell us? Constitution tell us, because in our constitution there is a separate part of the directive principle. According to that, primary education is responsible and government is also responsible to ensure that this education is providing to the all children of the country or not. Next is give and protect the rights. Means we are having a lot of fundamental rights. Major rights are the 6: right to education, right to livelihood, right to freedom, right to speech, right to form any association, and right to equality. These are the major 6 rights. But in that, the right to freedom, we are having a lot of rights. Right to property, it is a part of the right to freedom. Right to property, right to privacy, and right to sell out their property. These are the special right of the right to freedom. So we are having the so many right to free livelihood. We can move anywhere, we can speak anything, we can do any work, we can choose any religion, but no one can bound us. Means that who provide this right? Our constitution. Constitution is designed in that form which is suitable for the independence and to maintain the democracy of the civilian. So same as the constitution is also played a very active role to protect and to maintain the fundamental rights for the citizen. For Constitution is also mentioned the one proposal to establish the judiciary. Why? To maintain the administration, to stop the crime, and if anyone's fundamental right will be violated, then we can go to the court and can require the help from the judiciary. Judiciary will listen you and provide and protect your fundamental right. Next, lays down the powers of the government. Constitution is also ensured that the government cannot use the cannot misuse their power. How many powers they are having, they cannot misuse. That's why the one proposal is there in our constitution. The president is the first citizen of India. President is the head of the nation, but he cannot use, we should say he is a golden zero. He cannot use any power. Lot of powers he is having. He is the president of the India. He is the first citizen of the India. He is the head of the all armed forces. He is the I should say, he is the golden zero. He is the guardian of the fundamental right. He is the head of the Supreme Court also. He can give the suggestion to the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. But he cannot use these all power without the suggestion or discussion with the Prime Minister. Means that our constitution gave a power to the President, but the key of that power given to Prime Minister. Until the Prime Minister will not discuss about to taking any decision, the President cannot pass any law, President cannot issue any ordinance or any law. But there is one more power, and no one law cannot, no one policy, no one bill can pass without the signature of President. Next is the creating a good society. Obviously, everything is given by the Constitution to us. Constitution gives the fundamental right. Constitution giving a right to occupation, right to education. When the Constitution is providing the good education, good livelihood, and it also makes the education is compulsory. So obviously, when the society will be educated, then the human being created a good society in which cooperation was there. No, all are free to practice their religion. All are free to doing accept any job, any profession according to their wish. And in the nation, all are enjoyed the independence. All are can take part in the political activity in the election. So this obviously we will set up a good society where these all things are present. Now let's start. Let's move the next topic, that is the need. What need we are having to frame the Constitution. Already we have listened and we have discussed the previous example of the South Africa. In the South Africa, do you know, Constitution was not there. So how much they suffered badly, how much tortured by the white people and a white government to these people, because they were not having their own constitution. Same as when India before the independence, they were not having we were not having the constitution. So how much we have to torture? Even they treated us as like the animal, as like the slave. We are not having any fundamental right. We cannot enjoy it. Even every time they find out the option to treated badly and to tortured us and to killing us. You know, one story goes about that. We don't know okay, it was a rumor or not, but some historians are saying that it is a rumor. Some historians saying that it was a reality. So that what was the rule? What was the story? When the British government in India imposed the Christian religion and they started to force the Christian religion, okay, everyone have to follow only the Christian religion, no Hindu, no Muslim, no other religion. And in that time, those who were Hindu and the Muslim were denied to follow the Christianity. Then what happened? They killed them and they threw out the dead body in front of the railway line. It was the next use of the railway line, because they used this railway line to throw out the human and Muslims and the Hindu in front of the railway line as a punishment. Otherwise, they killed them and hang out over the telegraph pole, because they thought that when the other people will see such type of the punishment, then the other peoples will be afraid and accept the Christianity. That's why they broke out the many of the temples, Hindu temples and the Muslim mosque, and constructed the Church of Christianity in India. Same as the South Africans were also suffering a lot of partiality, because they were using the everything was separated. So after getting the constitution, how much development was there? How much benefits were there? They enjoyed the right to equality, but in that South Africa, it was very difficult to trust over the white European. That's why they decided until we will not have the proper rules, written rules, the written rule will ensure that how we will trust it to each other. Written rule we will bind. जो written rule होंगे वो हमें bind करेंगे कि no one can rule over the each other. Means that the only one way to build and maintain the trust. कैसे ट्रस्ट मेंटेन किया जाएगा between the white and the black people? Even the black people were ready to give the forgive to the white government, but it was very difficult to trust over them, because long years, a long time, the white tortured to them. So now they started to written down some rules, and everyone means that all citizens were abide with that rule. Everyone was bounded to follow these rules and determine that only elected government can rule, but the elected government cannot change any rule easily. Same as in our India. Elected government, whatever government is ruled in over the country, that government cannot change any rule very easily. A long debate and discussions are there. After getting the majority of any decision, they can change the rule. Otherwise, the no one rule can be changed without any debate and discussion. That's why in our India there is very long process to change the rules and the regulation. So already we know, already we have seen the examples of the South India and how much torture was there. That's why after looking their condition, we can know well what need we are having to frame the constitution. Now let's start by the video.
Different kinds of people to live together. Tells us how the government will be formed, who will have the power to take which decision. Lays limit on all the powers of the government. Tells us the rights of the citizen. It expresses the hope of people about creating a good society. All countries that have constitution are not necessarily democratic, but all countries that are democratic will have a constitution. After the War of Independence, Americans gave themselves a constitution. After the revolution, French people approved democratic constitution.